Hello everyone, my name is Raiden A. Sumalinog and I am third-year college student, the representative of the Group 5, the Group of Canas, and our study is all about illuminating the experiences of junior high school students in learning English language amidst COVID-19 pandemic. The rationale is all about the COVID-19 pandemic results to learning losses and increases in disproportion even in highest income countries. Junior high school students are unprepared and learning English language is not usual. Therefore, determining the experiences of the junior high school students would identify and suffice hindrances on learning the English language. Statement of the problem aims to describe the experiences of grade 10 junior high school students in learning English language amidst COVID-19 pandemic in Davao City. This study intends to answer the following, such as how is the interaction of students and teachers significant in learning English language? What are the experiences of junior high school students in learning English language in a new normal of learning? Theoretical lens. According to John B. Watson's behaviorism theory in 1914, in behaviorism point of view, it sees environment as a significant source to evoke stimuli in language learning. According to Rood and Lambert's interaction theory of language development in 2011, emphasizing the interaction of linguistic proficient adults and the learners. According to Vygotsky in 1962, language learning is a byproduct of learners' interaction with their environment. According to Barrott, in 2021, students' online learning challenges during the pandemic explains the importance of educational tools and equipment accessibility for the student in new normal learning as well as their mental health that leads to weaker pursuance to learning. Research design. This study uses a phenomenology research design. A phenomenology research design identifies and illuminates how participants narrate their experiences on the particular phenomena. Phenomenology is the best fitted to this study as the researchers aims to describe the experiences of junior high school learners in learning the English language. Research participant. The researchers will conduct the study and selected even 7 grade 10 junior high school students as respondent from different private schools. The researchers will present the profiles of the participants if necessary in order to ensure that the participants are the target of this research. The sampling procedure that will be used for this study is the purposive sampling. The purposive sampling is a selective type of sampling that helps the researcher to choose a participant that is fit to participate in the study. Research instrument. The instrument of this study uses a semi-structured interview. The semi-structured interview is a type of interview that does not straightly follow the listed research question. This instrument is appropriate to this study as the researchers may give backup questions if they feel there is missing in the questions listed. Data analysis. This section is yet to be answered by the researchers after they finish interviewing the research participants. This section will be filled by the data gathered by the researchers from the conduction, from the interviews, and connect the data collected to the related literature of this study. The researchers are going to use thematic analysis for this type of analysis is suitable for determining the experiences of the people as well as the point of view of a person. Trustworthiness of the study. The trustworthiness of the study is divided into 4 parts discussing on the credibility, dependability, transferability, and conformability of the research. In order for this research to be credible, the researchers will be using the purposive sampling to ensure that the data gathered by the researchers were answered by the participants. The use of this sampling grants the researchers opportunity to seek and provide answers in illuminating the English language learning of the senior high school student. The researcher made this study comprehensible, relatable, and practical in order to the next researchers to anchor their new studies in this research. To ensure that transferability of this study, the researchers have highlighted important details from the data gathered. Also, the results will be discussed thoroughly. The conduction and realization of the study was fulfilled and guided by the expert in this field. The researchers assured the validity of their study in terms of ensuring the correct data and avoiding falsification in this study. The researchers have sent letters to their administrators and participants for them to understand the aim of this research. And that's all. Thank you.